we are beyond excited to announce the Millers in Motion family.
And you may be asking yourself, what exactly is that? That is our membership program, which is our way of growing our community. So if you head over to the website and check it out, you will find everything that we have planned there for you and are looking forward to sharing with you.
But Lauren, why would I want to join?
Because you love us. Because you want to be part of our community. And in doing so, you will gain access to other like-minded people through different social media platforms and also some of our checklists and guides whenever you are traveling. Now, if you really, really need more,
There is more.
There is more.
But wait.
But wait. You can also get more access to us, which means directed questions and live time updates.
More importantly, more access to Lauren. I don't know that anybody needs more access to me or can tolerate it. So I know there's a lot more questions involved with this, like
Sure.
how much, how do I, what, where, when, how, why, where's the brisket? All of those things you can find out over on our website, millersinmotion.com. If you go to the top navigation bar, all the way to the right-hand side, it says join the family. We will also link it in the comments down below.
You got it. And yes, the family will be the first to know when and where there's brisket.
Hopefully you consider joining. We would love to have you over there
Absolutely.
and get to know you even a little bit better.